YouTube, it's Ray and Ray's mom again, and we have another DVD unboxing for you guys.
Watch it!
Wow, what is it this time, Ray?
My Little Pony.
Oh, it's My Little Pony DVDs this time.
Watch it!
Whoa.
Oh.
My Little Pony on DVD. So the first one is My Little Pony's Friendship Magic. Then we have My Little Pony's Spring into Friendship. And we have My Little Pony's Trick or Treat.
Trick or treat.
And these are all on DVD.
Banana.
So My Little Pony Trick or Treat. My Little Pony Spooktacular Ponytails. My Little Pony's Spooktacular Ponytails. And My Little Pony's Friendship Magic. We have all three My Little Ponies. Let's show what the discs look like, Ray. We got My Little Pony Spring into Friendship. My Little Pony Trick or Treat. And My Little Pony Spooktacular Ponytails. Yeah, My Little Pony's Trick and Treat. What else did you get?
Trick or treat.
Here, show the next one. Show the next DVD, Ray. Here, move this one. Show that one. Which one is that one? Spooktacular Ponytails. Very good. What's the next one? Ray, what's the next one? Ray, which one is this one? Friendship Magic. Spring into Friendship. Wow, these are pretty cool, Ray.
Bye.
These are pretty cool. I want to tell everybody thanks for watching. So don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you later.